And authorities and healthcare workers say the COVID-19 pandemic has brought on another long-lasting effect. WDHN's Robert Smith Jr. joins us live in the newsroom. Robert, I understand drug overdoses are up in Alabama, at least in one county. Is this the case really across the Wiregrass?
Well, Mike, I'll tell you, it's a good thing we haven't seen an increase in overdoses in our area, but to say there hasn't been an increase in drugs and alcohol use would be an understatement. The COVID-19 pandemic has taken a major toll on Alabamians. Now medical officials say that toll have led some to turn to drugs and alcohol to ease their pain. In Jefferson County, officials have recently seen an increase in drug overdose deaths by at least 37% during the first 10 months of the pandemic. In Houston County, luckily, that is not a problem.
Here in Houston County, we have been very blessed. We have not seen a change in the overdose. There's no rise in overdose here in Houston County.
But there is a rise in the use of substances, which could be attributed to the pandemic. 334 Prevention Project Executive Director says with parents returning to work and students being at home alone attending virtual school, it could lead to wrong decisions.
I think that the reason for the rise of alcohol sales and also of substance use is the boredom. Truly, I mean, in our youth here in our area, they're looking for things to do. And when you have medicine laying around at your home, matter of fact, we always ask, parents to lock up their drugs, and this is the one reason why.
An agency like 334 Prevention Project is there to educate kids as well as adults about the dangers of drugs and alcohol. Geiler says she's glad that it's not that much of a problem in Houston County due to adequate teaching.
The more children who are educated on the dangers a drug can do, I think it really just changes their mind completely.
Now, the organization mainly focuses on the youth by going to various schools to educate kids about all drugs. But if there are some adults out there, they are willing to go to your job and hold a seminar.